Hi, I'm Romeo Caporaso from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Today I'm going to give you uh, some information on companies and why companies are a lower tax rate and can be very useful in minimising tax, particularly in business situations, obviously. So, you may be aware, up to the end of 2021, the company tax rate is 26%. So the first dollar of profit is taxed at 26%. And then from the 1st of July 2021 onwards, the tax office and the Australian government has reduced the company tax rate to 25%. Okay, now that needs to be considered obviously hand in hand with individual tax rates. So what I like to normally explain to my clients is the tax rates at the moment when you're a normal resident for tax purposes is 0 to 18,200 is not taxed at all, and 18,201 to 45,000 is taxed at 19%. And above that, over 45,000, you're taxed at 22.5%. It's going up to the top tax rate of 45% plus 2% when you're ready. So basically, the gist of that is I've explained that over 45,000, the tax rate is actually higher on an individual tax rate, 32.5% than the company tax rates. So any situation where you can, obviously in a business, pay the first 45,000 to an individual and utilise that low tax-free threshold in the 19% band, and then you've got you're in a really good environment in the company of enjoying 25% tax. So that's really good. And that's why companies, I believe, have become increasingly more popular. It's because the government's scaling down company tax rates. And so what's important to also understand is, and this is where a lot of people go wrong, is you can't actually just take the money out of the company and spend it individually. So it has to come to already tax paid. So you can only take money out of companies as dividends or perhaps as an employee wages. So if you do take money out, it's deemed a director dividend if you like, or you have to have a loan agreement in place, pay back that money to the company at an ATO benchmark interest rate. This is why it's always good to have an accountant holding your hand and making sure you're doing things right. So there's my explanation of why it's very effective to reduce tax through the lower company tax rate in a company of 25%. If you need to do something like this, and perhaps thinking of going from sole trader to company, and you want to consider this, we'd be happy to meet with you to discuss this further. I'm Romeo from Tax Accounting Adelaide. Thank you.